Hi, I'm Scott Whittle, and welcome back to Talking Birds. In this episode, we're going to talk about quality, which not only describes the tone of a bird's sound, but the kind of person you will become by learning it. In order to listen to bird songs more effectively, we're going to learn some magic words that will help us focus our attention on the details of a song. In this episode, we're going to talk about those words related to quality. Quality is the overall tone or timbre of a sound, and in this episode, we're going to use the terms clear, buzzy, nasal, rough, trilled, and complex. Let's start with clear. Clear is, well, clear. It's a sound that you could whistle, or maybe the tone a piano makes. Let's listen to a few sounds that we would describe as clear. Buzzy is in some ways the opposite of clear. It sounds like a bee buzzing or the letter Z.
Let's make the Z sound. Zoo, zoo.
Here are a few buzzy sounds. How about nasal? Well, nasal is the sound you make when you pinch your nose when you talk, or like Fran Drescher in the classic 90s TV sitcom The Nanny. Next is rough. Rough is noisy or harsh. It's what happens when a bunch of frequencies hit our ears all at the same time. A trill is a sound repeated quickly. Too quick for you to count, but not so quick that you can't tell there are individual elements in the sound, like a brrrr kind of sound. By the way, if you speed up a trill, you'll actually get a buzz, something that can be a lot of fun, but I don't recommend doing while operating heavy machinery. Finally, complex is actually a combination of clear and trilled sounds in a very short time. It's not really rough or noisy, but it's its own thing. It's complicated. That's it. 6 new words that you can use to apply to bird songs and describe their quality. Now get out there and try it. Go out and listen to birds outside. Go onto a website like xenocanto.org, which I'll put in the links below, where you can listen to a whole bunch of bird recordings, or just go wherever quality bird songs are found. Once you practice this a little bit, you'll find it's second nature, and it'll really help you understand better what you're listening to. It's a great start on your path to understanding bird sound.
And yes, we've just begun.
I hope you've enjoyed this episode. There's more to come, and in the meantime, it's been a pleasure spending this quality time together.